this is the Ultra Travis with another LEGO review of Ninjago Dragon Rising Kai's Climber Mech. You get these cool minifigs, not the damn destroyed box, but you know. You get 4 minifigs. You get Dundana. There's a cool wing thing. You get Wildfire. You get Wildfire. Pretty cool character. You get Kai in his climber suit. And you get Jay in his climber suit. This is the only way you get this figure. So, then onto the main set. Here we have the cockpit where Kai can go. You got 4 arms. One arm can attach, this thing can attach and put it somewhere. Have one hand. And we have the legs that can move. Don't worry about that. He's fine. And that's the video. Goodbye.